First of all, let's talk about NOT Pixel and why you should take this project seriously. So NOT Pixel is a project by Notcoin, and they are backed by a lot of reputable brands. Even Dogs is supporting them. Like, they're supported by other prominent projects. So that's why you should take it seriously. And one good thing about this project is that you see this your Pixel here. This your balance that is showing here. That's the exact thing you are going to get during the TGE. That is during the token generation event. So you have to take it serious. It's not like a hamster combat that will give you coins and then later convert it to later convert it to tokens. This is the real tokens here. That's the exact balance. Just like Dogs did. You know, when you are doing Dogs, the exact balance is what you receive during the TGE, the airdrop. That's the exact airdrop allocation. So that's why it's kind of hard to get. You understand this thing? That's how it's hard to get. So it's not like Hamster Combat that will give you 3 million coins. Then S Empire that will give you 5 billion coins. Then in the end, it's become worthless. So NOT Pixel, what you basically do here is just you paint. That's what it's all about. Like, a lot of people from all over the world comes here to paint. You understand? So as you can see, if you zoom in, you see that a lot of works going on here. People are currently painting on this canvas. You understand? So maybe you can come here and paint whatever you want. Like, you can see there are a lot of drawings here already, so you can go ahead and contribute and paint here. You can see this one is Dogs. Then this one up here is Notcoin. Then you can see Ton here, Ton coin. Then a lot of people. You can see these people. Nigerians have even drawn their flag here on top of because South Africa drew a very big flag here, and Nigerians came and drew their own on top and draw their own here. So, and according to these people, NOT Pixel have advised that we should not draw. You should stop this flag of 18. You should stop drawing flags. That all of us are one. We are one community. You understand? There is no segregation. So it's not advisable to draw flag here. So don't participate in drawing flag. So as you can see here, people are even angry with Hamster Combat. That's why they came here and draw this thing. This is hamster scam that they drew here. And this is hamster scam. I think they have started cleaning it. It has started clearing. You can see. It has started cleaning. You understand? But what they draw here is hamster scam. So to draw here, and you know, the more you draw, the more you paint, the more NOT Pixel you get. You understand? The more pixel you get. So to paint, what you basically do is just find maybe any drawing you like. Let's say, like me now, I want to contribute and paint these dogs. You understand? So it depends on you, the one you want. If you want to paint Notcoin, you can paint. If it's Ton that you want, like anything you want, you can paint it. So before you paint, the first thing you do is you zoom it very well. You zoom. You can see that if you look closely, you see that you can see that there's some works going on here. You can see that these things are constantly changing, like the colors again. So some people don't even know what to do. You're just painting anything there. just be doing rubbish work. So if you want to paint, you can see that if you zoom back, you see that what's supposed to be here the color that's supposed to be here is black. So, and some people are just painting red here, painting yellow and other colors. So you just zoom, then we have to paint this place black now. So what we are going to do, you have to change this color. Tap on this color now. Tap on the color. We select black. Then let's select the rubbish. Let's correct this rubbish that some people did. So this place that is showing white, not supposed to be white. So we tap on it. Then we tap on paint. Because somebody have already painted it. You see. So this white again here, we tap on it. Then we paint it black. You see. Then this white here that is here, we paint it black. So we just paint. Then this one red is not supposed to be here. So we tap on it, paint it black. So See it, this red again is supposed to be black. This blue is not supposed to be here. So as you can see, it says I have no energy left. There's no energy. I don't have any energy again. So this energy will recharge back. So when you recharge back, you can come and check whether this blue is still here. Then you paint it black. That's how you do. Just come. I think you recharge every. Let me tap on it. Okay, you recharge every 10 minutes. Recovery speed. So I have to come back in the next 10 minutes and paint again. So apart from that, another way you earn NOT Pixel here is by, if you tap on this your balance here, you can see you can claim NOT Pixel every 1 minute. Even if you don't claim every 1 minute, like even if you come back in the next 60 minutes, you can still claim. Like anytime you come back, you can still claim it. So it's not compulsory to claim every 1 minute. And I think we keep accumulating. So it's not like it will get to a point where it will stop mining. So it keep mining for you. So even if you come back in the next 6 hours, it can still claim it. Like anytime you come back and claim. So another way you can earn NOT Pixel is by doing these tasks. I've already done them. So you do these tasks here. You can see that I've already done them. Then you invite people. So you invite people. If you want to invite people, tap on this place. Then you see you can say I have invited 24 people. So you now tap on your referral link. Then you copy it and send to whoever you want to send. Once they register, you get 8 Pixel. So it's not hard. Some people think that it's hard, but it's not hard. So if you want to paint more, like if you want to keep painting, you can buy this. You can buy this stuff. You can see restaurant charges. You can buy them. You can buy them with Telegram stars if you have money. Like if you want to invest, you understand? The more if you invest, of course, you get more NOT Pixel. You get more Pixel. Sorry, it's called Pixel. The reason this is called NOT Pixel is because it's from NOT but the main token is called Pixel, PX. So you can see it here, Pixel. So that's it. This token will be listed on November 2024. So according to them, they say that they will list this token on November 2024. So you have to take it seriously. Mine and get as much Pixels as possible. You understand? So that your cash out will be big. So if you have not registered, there will be a link in the comment section. So tap on it and get yourself registered. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And again, before you go, kindly tap on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.